Abandonment and betrayal can have deep emotional scars on us. They shape our love, our trust, and how we show up in relationships. But hear this, you can be loved. You're not hard to love. So let's walk through a gentle, science based way to heal. When someone abandons us or betrays us, the brain reacts as if we are in danger. That's why you might feel overwhelming emotions. There are a few signs you might recognize, and I want you to know these are normal responses to pain. So, what are those side effects or sign of abandonment and betrayal? Fear of intimacy, that's the first one. And I am not talking about sex, I'm talking about real intimacy here. You care about someone, but when they get close, you pull away or emotionally shut down. Not because you don't love the connection, but because you're scared of being hurt. Number two, you're hyper vigilant and distrust easily. Your partner comes home 10 minutes late, and before you even breathe, your mind jumps to the worst case scenario. Number three, emotional numbness. Something bad or sad or exciting happens, and you are numb. You feel nothing. Like you can detach yourself easily. Number four, overthinking or fear of not being enough. A friend or a partner doesn't text back. Suddenly, you're analyzing every message, everything you said, everything you did, wondering what's wrong with you. Number five, repeating every event in your mind. And you keep reliving the moment someone broke your trust, like your mind is stuck on the worst case scenario. And lastly, trouble regulating emotions. A small trigger, disagreement, and a huge reaction. Crying, shutting down, panic, because it hits your old wounds. You don't want to be left again. You don't want to be betrayed again. But these reactions don't mean you are dramatic or broken. They mean you were hurt deeply. You need to own that. And your nervous system is still trying to protect you, which is a self love act. Healing begins with the validation. Saying to yourself, I matter, what happened to me mattered, my feelings make sense. And remember, you are not too sensitive. You are someone who didn't get the safety you deserved. Not because you were imperfect, not because you were wrong in acting a certain way. We deserve safety as a human right. So, trauma lives in the body. To heal, we gently teach our body that the danger is now over. Slow breathing, repeating to yourself you're safe, grounding yourself with your senses, progressive meditation for muscle relaxation, tapping EMDR style. These techniques help to stop the body freaking out. Therapy like tapping, CBT, help rewriting the story you absorbed during trauma. You don't need to be kept safe. You need to realize that you only need yourself and to embrace yourself and to accept yourself, which is what secure people know. But when you've been abandoned as a child, especially, or when you were really highly impressionable, that's not very easy to do. So ask yourself, what beliefs did you adopt because someone hurt you? What voices run in your head? Yours or theirs and their actions? So your mind's trying to keep you safe, and all your mind knows is the narrative you created in your mind. So if something happened in the past and you keep thinking about it, your mind thinks you're still in danger. And by the way, for the mind, social safety is just important as physical safety, because if you weren't accepted back in the day from your society, you were in real danger. You could go on and starve. And someone betraying you doesn't mean you are not enough. I can't stress this enough. They weren't able, they couldn't meet you to give you the love you deserve. And that's about them. That's their flow. Abandonment trauma can make you expect people to leave, but safe connection exists. They truly exist. Remember, all you need is you to accept yourself, to hug yourself, pick yourself up when you need to. And you are allowed to need safety. You are allowed to need consistency. These are not weaknesses. They are human needs. They need to be met if they want to be friends with you. Sometimes what we need isn't a partner. It's our own gentle voice that loves us. Repeating means giving yourself what you didn't receive. Kindness, encouragement, emotional protection, and a sense of stability. Talk to your inner child like someone you love, not like someone you judge. Before we end today, I want you to hear this. You are not too much. You are not unlovable. You are not the reason why you left. You are deeply lovable. You are enough. You are amazing to be around. You are growing, you are healing, you're learning, and you can become whole again. And you deserve a love that stays, including your own. I love these talks with you, and I hope you like and subscribe to this channel. It helps the algorithm a lot and makes me more motivated to give you more. I love you all, and I wish you a beautiful day.